Hello, and welcome to the unboxing video of the Sikemay PS5 Console Faceplate Hard Shockproof PS5 Faceplate Shell Skin Case for the PS5 Disc Edition. Now, Sony does sell their own for the PlayStation 5. This is a third party that I figured I'd give it a try because it is much cheaper than the Sony version. I got this on Amazon Prime Day for $25, a little over $25 before tax. And so I figured I'd give it a shot. So I'm going to go ahead and open the tape. And we're going to open the box and see what we get here. There are two controller covers as well. That was included. If you want a silicone, controller cover, great. If not, they're included anyway. So there's two of those. And there's a thank you and installation instructions. Okay. And then the actual plates here in bubble wrap. Move the box out of the way for now. Just pull these out, bubble wrap and all. And then they are individual here. This will be for the bottom. And then for the top, you have the disc slot in there. And they put a little bit of foam between them so they didn't hit against each other. So initial impressions, feel thick, feel pretty sturdy. I'm eyeing up my PlayStation over there, and it looks pretty much the same. Goes this way. Yeah. It's going to stand up like this. I do like the black. I mean, it's a pretty solid black color. Kind of like a matte black, which is exactly what I want for my PlayStation. So we'll try the installation here in a little bit and see what happens. But first impression, it looks pretty good. I know I've had that cover off once already on the PS5 to install the an SSD in it, so it shouldn't be too difficult to get it back off. Yeah, I mean, everything looks good. So we'll see what happens.